order to fire and fire! It has been a long tradition in artillery. Our patron saint is Saint Barbara. So, for years, artillerymen, the first shooting of the cannon, they are inducted into a ceremony and a very wonderful fraternity known as the Order of Saint Barbara. It is my honor to induct this man into the order. Present the sponge. Mr. Chipper's next. Sir, it is my order, or my honor, to bring you into the Order of St. Barbara. Once this is done, it shall never be done again. This is only one initiation. No smiling. It is my pleasure and my honor to introduce you into St. Barbara. Three cheers!
Hip hip huzzah! Hip hip huzzah! Hip hip huzzah!
You may now wash. Honor to introduce you, eyes front, to the order. It hurts.
It doesn't.
You should be.
I know I should
To the Order of St. Barbara. Once this is done to you, it can never be done again. Only once. It is a very special honor. Eyes front. My great honor and privilege that I induct you into the Order of St. Barbara. I was very, very nice to Pat, but I won't be.
I understand, sir.
You are getting from Patness. Huzzah! Introducing Kevin Duffus, Order of St. Barbara.
Thank you, sir.